Hello, Teacher Willie here. This is lesson 9. What is the population of the world? Hello, friends. Can anyone help me find information on population growth in Mexico and Italy? I'm doing work for my geography class. The teacher asked us to compare data from both countries using age pyramids of each. Where do you think I can find that information? The only thing I know about the growth behavior in each of these countries is the marked difference and variation in the composition of the population. I will appreciate a lot for your help. We will write to each other soon. Mariana. And as you can see here, it is showing the age groups on Mexico and Italy. This data is from 2010. As you can see here, the age groups that are most numerous in Mexico is from 0 to 4 years old, which in both genders goes from 5% each. While in Italy, the percentage of this age group is less, it's around 3% on each. While the most numerous group goes from 40 to 40 years old. We can also see in the graphics that the population in Italy has been the same ever since 1980s, while in Mexico, the population has been growing exponentially since the 1970s. Let's begin. For thousands of years, population growth was slow due to ignorance of diseases, lack of hygiene, and wars. By the middle of the 18th century, the population worldwide was estimated at about 500 million inhabitants, and only half a century before there was half the population as we have it today. Currently, we are more than 7 billion, and each year on average, they increase 12 people for every 1,000 inhabitants. Activity 1. Analyze the data from the graphs above and color the attached map on page 190 from your book, which is asked below. Write down the colors and the corresponding information in the symbology box. Drawing on purple Africa, green for Asia, red for Canada and the US, orange for the Caribbean and Latin America, blue for Europe, and yellow for Oceania. These are the graphs. And this is the map. This is the symbology chart to color each of these continents. And these are the questions that you need to answer using the graphs, please. Challenges of the world population. Growth is not homogeneous. It varies between continents and between countries. The behavior of population growth can generate various problems, which in certain countries are related to accelerate growth and in others to low birth rate. For example, Niger and Angola must face the challenges that imply that its population is made up mostly of by children and youth. On the contrary, Germany and Italy must address problems of a low birth rate versus at an increasing mortality rate due to aging of its population. Mexico, like the rest of the world, has needs derived from the characteristics of its population. Look at the following population pyramid of Mexico and enclose in a circle the age group that concentrates the most of the population. What age group are you in? And what age group is the highest between women and men in each country? So here we have Mexico, Angola, and France.